Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Sorry for the delay in posting this. I had some finals in school this past week. On June 13th and 14th, I did some railfanning. Check out these cool catches. That train you just saw was 6005 from Montauk to Jamaica passing through Baldwin, with DM30AC 521 trailing, the America 250th unit. Also, I didn't have my tripod with me this weekend, so I apologize for the uneven camera work. After train 6057, I headed back home, but the next day I was in the Bayshore area, so I decided to make a pit stop there to see 3 trains. The first, which was train 6095 to Penn, with 521 once again trailing. Up next was 6058 to Patchogue, being led today by DM30AC 522.
Train to Patchogue is now arriving on platform B. Please activate e-tickets now and step over the gap when boarding.
final train of the day in video would be train 6057 to Jamaica.
The 158 train to Jamaica is now arriving on platform A. Please activate exits now and step over when ordered.
I hope you all enjoyed this semi-short video featuring mostly diesels, so I had a lot of fun filming this. Please consider supporting my work by subscribing. Thank you.